Thank you again for selecting Premier Literacy software tools for use across your organization. By now, you are becoming well aware of the vast array of literacy tools available in the Premier Literacy bundled product offerings for in-school, at-home, and even personal use. For example, our portable technologies like Premier to Go and Key to Access USB devices. With a wealth of products available from Premier Literacy, we understand that it can be confusing which products to use for specific tasks and situations. In this video, we will go over general features and functions of our products to help you answer those questions so you can better choose the tools that best meet your needs. You should look at the entire selection of products from Premier as a literacy toolkit that can be used by all students to complement their studies and to leverage the use of digital content. Why does Premier have so many different tools? Why not just a single application that does everything? Premier's philosophy for having a suite of applications is based on years of experience and observation. With a suite of applications to choose from, users need only learn and use those tools that meet their particular learning styles and needs. Conversely, there is no need to learn tools that you may never use. What this means is that as a user, you have the ability to choose the tool that is best suited to your particular learning styles and preferences based on a task you wish to perform. One of the first things you will notice when you launch any Premier software suite is the Premier Master Toolbar. From the Master Toolbar, functional toolbars are designed so that similar functions are grouped together for reading, writing, studying, and utilities. This makes it much easier for you to choose the specific application that is best suited for your needs. Based on the primary type of task you wish to perform, you can simply select the major function, for instance, writing, and the writing toolbar will appear. Then from the functional toolbar, you can launch the specific application you wish to use. Does Premier Literacy support French language functionality? Some of the tremendous advantages of the Premier Literacy Suite are the bilingual features available across multiple applications. Universal Reader, eText Reader, and French Talking Dictionary all have bilingual settings that make it easy to configure interface screens, essentially icons and commands, in French. For instance, in eText Reader, you simply select the Settings command, then select Language, and choose Français for French. You will immediately see the command line and feature icons change to reflect French language. You also have the ability to activate French word prediction, dictionary, and spell check to facilitate your writing and studying activities when using the Talking Word Processor. Simply select Language Settings, select French, then select the options for word prediction, dictionary, and spell check that you wish to have displayed in French. Notice that with word prediction turned on, as you start to type, the word prediction list appears in French, and if you select a single word from your text, the dictionary dialog box appears with the definitions in French. Of course, with any French language options, if you wish to hear the text read aloud in French, you will need a French voice available on your workstation. What are the best applications to use when accessing the Internet? When you're using the Internet, you're presented with an almost limitless variety of information sources and formats. Just think of the advantages of having productivity tools at your fingertips that can make you more efficient and streamline your activities. The Premier LaunchPad is a great new tool that is ideally suited for this. With Premier's LaunchPad, there are 9 major tools that can quickly improve your ability to navigate through the universe of information you'll encounter in the cloud. The groundbreaking advantages of the LaunchPad are that, unlike other real-time reading technology, it works directly in parallel with all of your other applications. You can still see full-screen displays of any other applications you have running, while being able to easily launch any other application of your choice. And, because it's browser independent, you can even use it with your favorite browser, Internet Explorer, Firefox, or even Google Chrome. Just imagine being able to use any of Premier's applications virtually anywhere. Now, let's take a quick look at the 9 tools in the LaunchPad: Internet Reader, Talking Pointer, Summarize It, Dynamic Reader, English Talking Dictionary and French Talking Dictionary, Right Now, Thesaurus, Text to MP3, Web Grabber, and of course, you can always launch Premier's desktop tools. Many people benefit from displaying word tracking as text is being read aloud to you. With the LaunchPad reader, you can easily have selected text displayed in a reading window. You can also perform real-time translation in one of 6 languages. Premier's Talking Pointer is a unique one-of-a-kind technology that is the ultimate in elegant simplicity for reading. As the name implies, with Talking Pointer, all you have to do is simply point to any accessible text on a website to have it read aloud to you. It can read virtually any text, including commands, buttons, narrative text, and even web links. The Summit feature of the LaunchPad is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly read through massive amounts of text information that you encounter every day in the cloud by performing intelligent summarization based on language modeling technologies. Every user is allowed to use simple commands to control the level of summarization to effectively compress text so that you can identify the most important elements of any text-based information. For some content providers and publishers, online content is displayed in a format that may be inaccessible, essentially unreadable, for reading aloud by other standard technologies. But Premier's new dynamic reader will allow you to easily and precisely control the reading of those special content pages by using your cursor to dynamically draw a frame around the text you wish to have read. A common problem with reading web pages is that they're not categorized by vocabulary level. This means that you're much more likely to encounter words for which you do not know the meaning. To help you quickly look up definitions for words, you can simply select a word from any text with your mouse and click the English or French Talking Dictionary icon to receive a brief definition of that word, plus the definition can be read aloud to you. Many cloud-based applications such as online documents, Google Docs, Google Books, social media applications such as Facebook, and online sites, for example, job applications, have no editing or review capabilities. But with Right Now, you have full capabilities to create and edit cloud-based text before you post it. When used in concert with the dictionary, the thesaurus is both a great complementary tool for all writing and composition tasks, but is also great for improving your vocabulary. You may find yourself wanting to listen to an audio version of a text passage without necessarily sitting in front of your PC to view the text. With Text to MP3, you can just highlight a selected portion of text and click the Text to MP3 tab to quickly create an MP3 file that you can listen to on your PC or copy to your own portable music device, for example, smartphone or MP3 player, that you can listen to away from your PC. Many users find themselves needing to make notes of information from web pages for later use. This can be very time-consuming and susceptible to problems due not only to the sheer volume of information to be captured, but also the rapidly changing nature of many web pages. The Web Grabber function is perfect for making quick snapshots of pages and saving them to a permanent PDF file for future use. It even saves full source bibliographical information for future reference purposes. Of course, at any time, you can launch the full power of any of the applications from the entire suite of desktop Premiere tools right from the LaunchPad.
Universal Reader Plus is a great general tool for reading a variety of documents and files such as email, web pages, and even word processing files such as MS Word and WordPerfect. We recommend that Universal Reader Plus is the first Premiere tool you'll learn to use because it is so straightforward. Universal Reader Plus is great because it is a selective reader. That means you get to choose the specific text you want to read simply by using your mouse. Universal Reader Plus only reads what you select and will display the text being read in a viewing window and track the words as they're being read. Universal Reader Plus is perfect for web pages or documents where you only want or need to read a portion of what is presented to you. After you've read a selected passage, simply select another passage to continue reading or have that same passage read to you again for review. There's also another powerful feature of Universal Reader Plus that you'll want to use, the talking pointer. With the talking pointer, it's even easier to read because all you have to do is use your mouse to point your cursor to any block of accessible text and it will be read aloud to you. Additionally, Universal Reader Plus also has summarization and translation features which can easily extend your capabilities to quickly pour through vast amounts of information. Universal Reader Plus also has a flash reader that will allow you to read accessible text that is displayed in a flash format. Gee, it sounds like Universal Reader Plus and Talking Pointer could be used for reading almost anything, right? Well, while those tools certainly have a broad range of uses, Some of Premier's other tools are better suited to tasks such as reading electronic books or PDF files, so let's discuss some of those other options. What are the best applications to use when accessing documents and electronic books or when creating new documents? eText Reader is a robust tool that not only lets you read electronic books and documents, but has sophisticated study aids that will give all students the ability to improve comprehension and retention of what they learn. Because eText Reader works with formal documents, it is not suited for use with things such as emails and web pages. That's where Universal Reader Plus is your best choice. Within eText Reader, some of the valuable study aids are text summarization, highlighting with color, extraction by color, bookmarks, and text search. These features and capabilities make it possible to do far more than simply read text aloud. They make eText Reader a powerful study tool for anyone. Talking Word Processor is a comprehensive word processing application that has the additional benefits of integrated study and learning tools. Because Talking Word Processor has these features, you should consider using it for any task for which you would use traditional word processing, such as composing reports, term papers, or any other documents. Additionally, Talking Word Processor can work directly with existing documents that are in standard formats such as Microsoft Word. This makes it ideal for tasks such as proofreading and revisions to existing documents. Other capabilities included in Talking Word Processor are multiple word tracking and highlighting styles while reading, word prediction,
Writing statistics,
highlighting text in color, extracting text in color, integrated dictionary, integrated thesaurus, and text summarization. Once you develop a working familiarity with Talking Word Processor, you'll quickly see that it is the ideal tool for your everyday word processing needs. Which applications are best suited for working with PDF files? As mentioned earlier, publishers are increasingly providing digital books in PDF format as a standard means of content delivery. Due to the special nature of the PDF format, Premier has created PDF Equalizer to be able to work directly with PDF files without having to go through any conversion process. This means that you will be able to access PDF files in their original format and maintain the integrity of text and graphics layouts. As with our other products, PDF Equalizer is able to read text aloud to you. PDF Equalizer has a number of powerful features and functions such as built-in note-taking, integrated talking dictionary, text to MP3 audio, text summarization, text annotation, and scanning hard copy documents directly into PDF format. A common problem with many PDF files is that they are saved in an image-only format, meaning that, effectively, they can only contain a picture of a printed page and not the actual text. PDF Equalizer can even convert image-only PDF files to accessible formats such as Microsoft Word. You will quickly find PDF Equalizer will become one of your most valuable literacy tools in working with digital content directly from publishers.
What tools are best suited for creating and using student worksheets? In addition to the robust handling of PDF documents using PDF Equalizer, probably one of the most frequently used forms in education is a student worksheet. Of course, worksheets come in an almost infinite variety of forms, layouts, styles, and content. Unfortunately, it's that variety that is also the primary barrier to creating electronic and digital versions. Worksheets are historically designed to be completed with a pen or pencil, but Premier Literacy's Worksheet Wizard brings using worksheets into the 21st century because it's specifically geared to handle all aspects of worksheets that have historically been designed for handwritten completion. Because Worksheet Wizard requires no special formatting or zoning of layouts, all actions can be performed anywhere on a document. Users can also simply scan existing worksheets. No retyping or recreation is required. It's great for filling out and annotating any documents. The power of Worksheet Wizard is truly amazing. You can scan any worksheet directly to a PDF. After scanning, crooked pages can be automatically straightened. Draw anywhere on a document. Highlight any portion of a document. Cut, copy, and paste images anywhere on a document. erase anything anywhere on a page, either text or graphics. You can read any text aloud, and you can rotate pages such that all writing, copying, and drawing will be retained in its proper orientation. With Worksheet Wizard, you truly have fully accessible worksheets like never before. What tools are best for working with cloud-based apps such as social networks and shared documents? A problem for many cloud apps such as online documents, social networks, email, and proprietary systems is that they have virtually no editorial capabilities. For example, errors in spelling, grammar, or overall composition can be accidentally posted into applications such as Google Docs, Facebook, emails, online job applications, banking forms, and thousands of other applications that are constantly emerging. With Right Now, you have capabilities such as integrated dictionary and thesaurus, support for confusable words, spell check with controllable autocorrection. You also have sophisticated word prediction, including suggestions for commonly misspelled words. Writing analytics provide you with a comprehensive analysis of your word and sentence usage, writing style, and technique. And most importantly, you can post your writing into any other application or system. With Right Now's host of features, you finally have the complete set of tools you need for any writing activities involving cloud-based applications.
What applications are best for looking up not only definitions of words, but synonyms and other words that are related in meaning? The Ultimate Talking Dictionary is a comprehensive electronic dictionary comprised of over 250,000 words, terms, persons, and phrases. It also contains an integrated thesaurus and interlink technology that lets you easily find words that are related to each other in meaning. The Ultimate Talking Dictionary even allows you to search for words when you are unsure of the correct spelling of the word. And because it is software-based, you can easily use the Ultimate Talking Dictionary at the same time you are using other applications. What should you use to create digital audio files from digital documents? Text-to-audio is the perfect utility for creating digital audiobooks from digital text files such as ebooks or other electronic documents. Text-to-audio can create both industry-standard MP3 and WAV format files that can be saved and played on MP3 players, CDs, and even your computer. Text-to-audio can use any standard file formats such as Microsoft Word, TXT, RTF, HTML, and even PDF as input to the audio creation process. Text-to-audio is perfect for creating your own audio lessons that you can listen to away from your computer when you are studying or doing other activities such as traveling or exercising, where having a book or other document is not necessary or convenient.
What should you use to create digital text documents from hard copy documents such as books and magazines?
Scan and Read Pro is a fully powered scanning application that gives you the capability to scan hard copy documents and create electronic documents in industry standard formats such as Microsoft Word, RTF, and TXT. Scan and Read Pro works with virtually all flatbed USB scanners, and the only requirement is that the scanner must be USB enabled and TWINE compliant, which is typically the standard for all brand name scanners. Scan and Read Pro comes complete with features such as voice capabilities for reading aloud, multilingual support, text highlighting and extraction, and text summarization features, just to mention a few.
Additionally, remember that our PDF Equalizer product also includes sophisticated text scanning features that allow you to convert hard copy documents directly into a PDF file format. We've presented you with a good overview of the most frequently used Premier applications that address a wide variety of literacy-oriented tasks that many users face every day. Let's quickly recap those applications. The Premier LaunchPad, which provides an integrated platform to work with both the Internet and your desktop applications. The functional toolbars, for use with all of your desktop applications. Universal Reader Plus with Talking Pointer, a great general-purpose reader for many reading tasks. eText Reader, a powerful study tool for working with standard format electronic documents and ebooks. Talking Word Processor, a feature-rich and robust application for virtually all reading and composition activities. PDF Equalizer, a comprehensive tool for reading and studying directly with PDF files. Worksheet Wizard gives you the ability to create and work with fully accessible worksheets. Right Now, the ideal writing tool for working with cloud-based applications. Ultimate Talking Dictionary, a comprehensive dictionary and thesaurus for any user. Text to Audio allows you to create MP3 and WAV audio for digital text files. And Scan and Read Pro, which lets you convert hard copy books and magazines into digital documents. The Premier LaunchPad, which provides an integrated platform to work with both the Internet and your desktop applications. Now that you've had a chance to hear about the general features and recommended uses of the most commonly used applications contained in the Premier Literacy Suite, you'll be able to better decide how, when, and where to begin using these exciting technologies across your organization for all users. As always, please be sure to visit our website at www.readingmadeeasy.ca or call us at 902-482-4680 if you have any questions about any of our tools. Thank you.